everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you saw from the thumbnail, I am trying something new today. Not only am I trying a new camera angle, no idea if it's going to work well, but I am going to be trying my hand at deck of panning. I have been watching people's videos from deck of panning, and it has been something that I have been wanting to do. My rolling 10 pan projects, they are long haul products, and frankly, I need some variety in my life. So if you want to see what I pull in this deck of panning intro, well then, keep watching. My name is Marie, and I am a beautiful mess. Here I approach makeup from the viewpoint of the novice. So sit back, relax, and come on a magical makeup journey with me. So like I said, I have been watching people do the deck of panning, and I know it's not the beginning of the year. I am very, very late to the party. This is a project that has been going on for years and years and years. This was created by Emily from Emily and Max, but she was inspired by Books with Maddie. Both of their channels is gonna be in the description box down below, as well as how you can join the fun if you're not already playing deck of panning with us. So the idea behind this is it is a rolling style project pan where you start off with 5 products. And Emily has created a game board, which I will put the game board up on the screen for you right now. And basically you take a deck of cards, 52 cards with 1 joker in it, and shuffle the cards up. I'm gonna put my joker inside. And you start off the project with 5 different products corresponding to whatever cards you pull from the deck. So we're just gonna shuffle this up right now. Different cards mean different things. So we're gonna see what we pull today. All right, guys, let's see what we get. Card number 1 is the Queen of Clubs. Let's see what that is. Queen of Clubs, in it for the long haul. Of course I'd have to pick that for my very first card. Card number 2 is the 9 of Spades. 9 of Spades is an eyeshadow. Okay. Let's see what card number 3 is going to be. Card number 3 is the 8 of Clubs. All right, so the 8 of Clubs is whole collection roulette. I do not have my entire collection categorized in a spreadsheet, nor am I gonna do that. So I'm just gonna pick something. Card number 4 is the 3 of Spades. 3 of Spades is a liquid, so that's interesting. And the last card we're gonna draw today is the 7 of Clubs. 7 of Clubs is metallic. All right, I'm gonna have to think on this, and I'll be right back with my products. All right, guys, I am back with my products. If the camera's in a different spot, it did take me a little bit of time. I shoot on my phone, so I did pull it out of the tripod to answer a text or two. But this is what I have come up with, you guys. So for the Queen of Clubs, in it for the long haul, I decided I'm going to roll in my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner pencil in the shade Deepest Brown. It is fall. I have been craving brown eyeliners, and I think I can use this guy up this fall. Am I delusional? It may be, because I am new to this panning thing, but let's see how far we can get. This is gonna be in it for the long haul. So until the end of the year, or I finish it, whichever comes first. Next up was the 9 of Spades, which is an eyeshadow. So I chose my e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdie. And the reason why I chose this is because I bought this last year because it was supposed to be spectacular, and I loved it during the summer, and I didn't wear it once this summer. But then I realized, look at that shade, guys, look at that. I think that this is perfect for fall as well. It's too bad I couldn't combine prompts. You know, I could combine liquid and eyeshadow and metallic and I'd have this. But I think that's going to be stunning, and I'm going to give myself a 10 use goal on it because I would like to use this before it dries up. At least a little bit more in my collection. So that's gonna be rolling in for the 9 of spades. Next up for the 8 of clubs, we have whole collection roulette. I do not have my entire collection in a spreadsheet yet, nor do I have time to assign numbers to them. Just not gonna do it. So I just picked something that I haven't touched yet. So this was something that I got in a ColourPop mystery box. This is one of their lip crayons, just a tint, in the shade The Boys. And I thought this would be really great for fall. Let's see here, I'm not good at swatching. So I thought that would be really great for fall, on the lips, on the cheeks. And I gave myself a 10 use goal on this. So I think that's definitely doable this month. Definitely. We'll see if I'm delusional. Stay tuned next time. For number 4 was the 3 of spades, which was a liquid product. And I am just about done with my Kosas concealer. So I decided I'm gonna bring in my Fenty concealer for 15 uses to see if I like it. I bought this, I haven't tried it yet. I'm in the shade 190 and I am gonna see if I like it or not. I definitely really like the Kosas concealer. I very much went on a concealer journey this year and now I have a ton of concealers and I have to get through. So this is gonna go in the project for 15 uses. Last but not least, the 7 of clubs was metallic, so I'm gonna roll in another eyeshadow. This is my Urban Decay Moon Dust Shadow, and I love the one in Space Cowboy so much, and this one was gifted to me. This one is in the shade Lithium. And this one I think is just really grungy, metallic-y, and I think really perfect for fall. So we're gonna roll that one in for 10 uses as an eyeshadow topper. So those are the 5 products I'm gonna be rolling in for my first foray into deck of panning. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know I always love when you do. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that other people with the same interests as you will like my content too. Thank you so much again, and if you've made it this far, put a little fall leaf emoji in the comment section. And we'll see you in the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Bye, everybody.